Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel Tally Developer 786. Here we are going to learn Osmania University Bcom Computer Application second semester subject Programming with C and C++ practical question paper. Here we do have 50 questions. Out of 50, 46 questions are belongs to C language and 4 questions belongs to C++. So here we are going to solve this one. For that we should need a software framework IDE, Integrated Development Environment. Integrated Development Environment we will get from Google. Just you have to type dev C++ download. Here I have typed dev C++ 5.11 version. So I got the website Blushhead, that is up to dawn.com. Here you can download. As soon as you download, you will have like this one installer. You have to keep OK and keep nest. I agree and nest button. So I already have this one in my PC, so I don't require this one. Hope you got the installation process over here. Okay, already I have got this one. Okay, now listen carefully. Now I want to solve this one. Okay, I want to solve each and every problem so that you can understand good and you can solve as well. Okay, now first question is write a C program to add two integers. Say what is integer? Integer is nothing but positive and negative value. Okay, it will be like in center you can keep 0, right side you can keep positive 1 2 3 4 and minus 1 minus 2, like that. So these are the integers, but now I want to add two integers. I have to make a program. For that I need a platform called dev C++. Here you can go to file, new source file, you can click here or use shortcut button Control N. I am using shortcut button Control N. As soon as I press Control button, I got this one, Untitled 1. This is the work area. By pressing, you can catch Control button. You press Control button and scroll. So you will get like zoom. For doing like for zoom, you have to Control plus you can scroll. Okay. Now I am going to start this one. See, each and every C program have certain library functions and many things are there. Here I'll do step by step, you can understand. Okay, if you have any problem in anything, you can comment below so that I can clear your doubts. First of all, I want to create a program, so I need a library function. This hash or pound symbol is known as derivative. It is known as derivative. It is also known as preprocessor. Include. Now in this preprocessor, standard IO. Standard IO means standard input output. .h means it's a header file. Now this is the first line which is compulsory in every program, and second line will be data type integer, main function and parameter. This bracket is called as parameter. Okay, now this one is called as library function. If you are a programmer and you are doing some programs and that programs is used by multiple people, now for that you can give comment. See, I am giving comment here, / for comment. This is library function. Got it? Now this is this one. Here you can see, here you can write comment, here you can write comment, / this is main function. Okay, if you want you can write like this. This is the first problem, so I am writing this one. So first line will be library function, second line will be main function, and third will be parenthesis. You have to catch shift and press flower bracket, that is called as curly braces, and you have to close as well. Okay, now here C program will be in between this parenthesis only in this parenthesis you can do C program. Okay, and each line is program line is known as block of code. Each program line is called as block of code that must be terminated. Terminated means stop. For that you can keep semicolon. Okay, so let us begin. This is first line called library function, second line is called main function, third is parenthesis. In this parenthesis, fourth line will be declaring variable. What is variable? Variable is a container, that means storage area. Okay, you have to mention here variable. Before doing any program you have to mention variable. So here I want to add two numbers. Suppose 1 plus 1 I have to add. For that I am declaring data type integer. Integer means positive and negative value. Here I am declaring three variables. What is that? Number 1, this variable is declared by the user. Okay, by user choice, any name you can write. I am here giving 1, n1 comma space n2. These are two variables I have given, and again I have to add. So for that add, in computer you can say sum. So okay, this should be terminated. Now initial output for users, printf open bracket, here double quotation, here you want to say user, that you can enter two positive integers. Here you are guiding to the user that you have to enter positive two integers. Press N button and terminate this also. As soon as you give printf for the user will put two numbers. Okay, you have to check that one. Compiler will check. For that you are using scanf. Scanf is nothing but it is going to check whether you have enter integer or character. If you are entering correct, it will accept. If you are not entering correct, it will not accept. For that it will scan. Now bracket here. Now I have declared I just give as a user, I give two numbers. For that we say as say suppose 1 and 1 I have given. Okay, for that you have to give identifier. Identifier means if you are keeping decimal or number, you have to keep %d space %d. Here I have put two times %d. Why? Because I am declaring two numbers, n1 and n2. Now here this n1, as soon as you enter one number, it will take place, right? So in program, in compiler, it will take memory. So it is called as memory allocation. Here you have to catch shift button and press 7 for ampersand. Here n1 take memory allocation. Keep comma and keep allocation ampersand. Ampersand is and symbol and keep n2. Okay, go to n, terminate this one. What happened here? You can see I am giving spaces here so that you can understand. White spaces are not count in dev C++. That means in C platform white spaces are not count. Okay, now you have given scanf. Here %d means identifier. Identifier of what? Decimal. Decimal can be in points, in numbers as well. You can give any number. So for memory allocation I have given ampersand here like this. Okay, hope you understand this one. Now I want to keep formula. Formula is sum is equal to n1 plus n2. Who is giving formula? User is giving. The programmer is giving according to his wish. So I have here two numbers, n1 and n2. I am adding n1 and n2. For that reason I have given sum. I have three variables, right? By using these three variables I have given formula. Okay. Now last, printf. This is called as printf. This is called as final output. In final output you have to give pattern. Like I have pattern like pattern I am giving like this. See, %d space plus %d is equal to %d. Why I have given like this? I have a format called 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. I want to get like this answer. Pattern I am giving here in final output. Now I have given three variables, so you have to keep n1 comma, you can give space also, n1 comma n2 comma sum. These are the three variables which I have allotted. Now enter. You keep return 0. This return 0 is for executing the program. Okay, return 0 is for executing the program. You can check here, my program came in 10 lines. Okay, in 10 lines I have finished my program. For this I need a folder to save all the programs, so I will create like this. See here, I'll go to desktop, I'll create one folder by the name programming with C and C++. Okay, in this program I want to save my file, so I have dev C++ here, right? I have nothing in my folder, so I want to save it from here. How can I save? Just go to file, say save as. Okay, in desktop you have created one folder called programming with C and C++. So where is it? Here it is. Double click this one, and here you can see here extension for C is .c and extension for C++ is .cpp. Here in the title, untitled 1 is there. Remove that one, keep problem 1, problem space 1 I have given, so that this is saved in my folder. You can go to your folder, check it. Yes, it is saved, right? Each and every program have two files. One is source file, one is application file. Application is file is nothing but result. Source file is nothing but this code. Okay. For executing this one, you have option here, execute. Here you have compile. That means this 10 lines are there, no? One after one, this will get piled, and it's called as compile now. These lines are piled one after one, and it should be compiled. For compiling F9 and for run F10. If you want compile and run both together, you have to press F11, function 11. Here it is also there, and here is also there. Can you see here the logos? From here also you can click, or directly you can click by keyboard. As soon as I click by keyboard, it should appear now. I have clicked here F11. Okay, now it should appear. See, it says that. Now you can see here, enter two positive integer. Now I am keeping 1, enter 1. So I have given 1 plus 1 pattern. As soon as you press the button, within seconds, you know, in 1 second you have 100 milliseconds. This will give result in just 8 milliseconds. So you can check here. It's totally depend on the user how he type the numbers. So this is what I will zoom here. See, you can see here, right? Okay. Now if I press enter, it will vanish because the result will come for only once. See here, again I press F11. Now you can see here, I'll make it zoom, control scroll bar. Now I am keeping, see, I can't keep more than 9 values here, 9 digits I mean. I have to keep less than 9 digits so that I can get each and every answer good. See, I am keeping like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Okay, I keep 0 here, and again I randomly put this one. I have added this one, but the result will come in minus and wrong result will come. You have to remember that you should type only 9 digits number. That means 100 crores. 1 crore consists of 7 zeros, and 100 crores consists of 9 zeros. Okay, so I will show you again here, pressing F11. Now zoom it for your people. Okay, I keep this randomly number 54454, and I keep this number. Okay, if both together added, this much came. Okay, 29 lakhs 2 crores 92 lakhs 8,999 was the answer. Hope you understand this problem. Okay, each and everything you got understand. If you have any query, any questions, you can ask me in the comment below. Okay, hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.